प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन को ही कंटिन्यू करते हुए, फिरमान जोग हुंडी क्या होती है? फिरमान मीन्स ऑर्डर मेड पेबल टू द ऑर्डर ऑफ पे जस्ट अपोजिट टू धनजोग हुंडी विच इज पेबल टू बियरर ओनली. अदर ऑप्शन है वाउचर. वाउचर क्या होता है? वाउचर इज अ डॉक्यूमेंट एविडेंसिंग अ ट्रांजेक्शन. लेजर. अ लेजर इज अ प्रिंसिपल बुक और कंप्यूट फाइल for recording and totaling economic transaction measured in terms of a monetary unit of account by account type with debit and credit in separate columns and a beginning monetary balance and ending monetary balance for each account. Next है insurance, an arrangement with a company in which you pay them regular amounts of money and they agree to pay the cost if you die or are ill or if you lose or damage something. Next question. When MV equals to majority value of debt, NP equals to net proceed, small n equals to number of years to maturity, R equals to annual interest, then cost of debt capital KD before tax will be. तो cost of debt capital हो गया R plus MV minus NP upon small n ब्रैकेट में upon MV plus NP upon n into 100. Next question है doctrine of ultra wires related to. आंसर है द कंपनीज एक्ट 2013. Doctrine means theory or principle. Ultra means beyond. Wires means powers. तो theory और principle beyond powers. Other option क्या है? The Sale of Good Act 1930, the Indian Contract Act 1972, the Factories Act 1948. Next question है the excess of total capitalization over the real value of long term asset is known as. आंसर है वॉल्टर्ड कैपिटल. वॉल्टर्ड कैपिटल कैसे निकालते हैं? रियलाइजेबल वैल्यू ऑफ एसेट्स अपॉन बुक वैल्यू ऑफ द कंपनी. अदर ऑप्शंस थे ओवर कैपिटलाइजेशन. इट इज अ सिचुएशन इन विच एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट्स ऑफ अ कंपनी आर नॉट सफिशिएंट इनफ टू पे इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिवेंचर्स ऑन लोन्स एंड पे डिविडेंड्स ऑन शेयर्स over a period of time. This situation arises when the company raises more capital than required. A part of capital always remains idle. Undercapitalization. An undercapitalization company is one which incurs exceptional high profits as compared to industry. An undercapitalization company situation arises when the estimated earnings are very low as compared to actual profit. This gives rise to additional fund, additional profits, high goodwill, high earnings, and thus the return on capital shows an increasing trend. Excess capital is here defined as the excess of a company's liability over its productive capital, that is the plant, equipment, materials, and stock of unsold product. Firm's excess capital held in financial assets.